Top 8 Anti-Aging Breakfasts to Kickstart Your Day. To design an anti-aging breakfast, we need to focus on 4 powerhouse nutrients. At the top, we have antioxidants, which are the ultimate defenders against oxidative stress, a process that speeds up aging by damaging cells. Antioxidants help protect your skin from wrinkles and dullness. The second component our breakfast should have is omega-3 fatty acids. Known for their anti-inflammatory properties, omega-3s keep your skin elastic and supple while supporting brain health. Thirdly, we need protein. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle strength and promoting collagen production, which keeps skin firm and youthful. Last but not least, we need polyphenol and micronutrients. These compounds support overall cellular health, giving you energy and vitality. Disclaimer: we will not sue anyone for liking and subscribing to our channel at any point in this video. Today, we're exploring the top 8 anti-aging breakfasts, meals that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that help you feel youthful and radiant from the inside out. It's never too late to nourish your body and fight the signs of aging. Let's begin with a classic that's simple, tasty, and beautifully Instagrammable: avocado and egg toast. This breakfast is a triple threat against aging, thanks to its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and healthy fats. These nutrients reduce skin inflammation, fight free radicals that damage skin cells, and keep you hydrated from within. Mash half an avocado on a slice of whole grain bread for fiber and add a poached egg for protein. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt and pepper or chili flakes for a little extra flavor. The heavenly taste of this toast is as obvious as knowing that South Africa is located in Southeast Asia. Suggested daily intake: 1 slice with half an avocado and 1 egg provides around 3 grams of omega-3s and 6 milligrams of vitamin E. A 2019 study published by the Journal of Lipid Research in the UK highlighted the role of omega-3 fats in reducing inflammation and improving skin elasticity, making this a go-to breakfast to kickstart your anti-aging journey. When you combine antioxidant-rich berries with chia seeds loaded with omega-3s, you create a powerhouse breakfast. Berry chia pudding defends against cell damage and promotes smooth digestion, both essential for maintaining youthful skin. Mix a tablespoon of chia seeds into half a cup of almond milk and let it soak overnight. In the morning, top it with a 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen mixed berries. For added sweetness, drizzle a touch of honey or maple syrup. Suggested daily intake: half a cup of chia pudding topped with a 1/4 cup of berries provides approximately 89 milligrams of vitamin C, a skin-brightening antioxidant, and nearly 3 grams of omega-3s per serving. According to a 2020 Harvard review, antioxidants like vitamin C play a critical role in combating oxidative stress, the primary culprit behind premature aging. Enjoy this vibrant, nutrient-packed meal guilt-free. For a fresh and rejuvenating start to the day, look no further than a green smoothie bowl. This breakfast blends leafy greens, creamy avocado, and antioxidant-rich matcha to support vibrant skin and sustained energy throughout the day. Blend together 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 banana, 1/4 avocado, and 1 cup of almond milk. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and top with matcha powder, granola, chia seeds, and a handful of berries. Suggested daily intake: 1 bowl provides a solid dose of polyphenol from matcha and 12 milligrams of vitamin C from spinach. Polyphenol found in matcha help reduce skin inflammation and boost stem cell repair, as discussed in a 2021 research article from Kyoto University. If gut health and glowing skin are your priorities, then Greek yogurt with walnuts and honey is your new best friend. Packed with probiotics, omega-3s from walnuts, and a touch of natural sweetness from honey, this is a wholesome and indulgent way to start your day. Take 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt and mix in 1 tablespoon of crushed walnuts. Drizzle a teaspoon of honey over the top. Suggested daily intake: 1 serving provides 5 g of omega-3s and healthy bacteria to support gut health. A study from the University of California in 2018 found that probiotics in yogurt improve digestion and reduce signs of aging by nourishing the gut-skin connection. A filling, heart-healthy bowl of oatmeal with berries and flax seeds is a fantastic anti-aging breakfast. The fiber in oats, antioxidants in berries, and omega-3s in flax seeds come together to improve digestion, regulate blood sugar, and fight cellular damage. Cook half a cup of oats in almond milk or water. Once ready, stir in 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds and top with a 1/4 cup of fresh berries. Suggested daily intake. 1 bowl offers around 4 g of fiber and 2 g of plant-based omega-3s, along with ample antioxidants from the berries and flax seeds. A research from 2017 published by the Journal of Nutrition shows that diets high in fiber reduce the risk of age-related diseases like heart disease and diabetes, making oatmeal a smart breakfast choice. For a savory breakfast option, try smoked salmon on whole grain crackers. Salmon is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, both of which help maintain brain health, reduce skin inflammation, and keep you feeling sharp and youthful. Take 2 whole grain crackers, top them with a slice of smoked salmon, a thin slice of cucumber, and a dollop of low-fat cream cheese. Suggested daily intake. 2 crackers with 30 grams of smoked salmon provide around 1,000 milligrams of omega-3s, nearly half the daily recommended intake for optimal anti-aging benefits. A 2018 study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that regular omega-3 intake supports cognitive function as we age. Simple yet effective, nut butter and banana toast combines the healthy fats of almond or peanut butter with the potassium and natural sugars of bananas to deliver sustained energy and muscle support throughout the morning. Spread 1 tablespoon of almond butter onto a slice of whole grain toast and add banana slices on top. Sprinkle with chia seeds for extra omega-3s. Suggested daily intake. 1 slice of toast provides approximately 2 grams of omega-3s and 400 milligrams of potassium. Potassium is essential for preserving muscle mass and preventing age-related muscle weakness, as shown in a 2020 study conducted in Sweden. If you're looking for something unique and nutrient-dense, opt for a tropical quinoa bowl, also called quinoa porridge. Quinoa is high in protein and essential amino acids, making it a great anti-aging option for keeping your skin firm and your muscles strong. Cook half a cup of quinoa and let it cool. Top it with chunks of pineapple, mango, and a handful of shredded coconut. Add a splash of almond milk or a dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess. Suggested daily intake. 1 serving provides around 8 grams of protein and 80 milligrams of vitamin C. A 2019 study from Brazil discovered that quinoa's high protein content supports collagen production, which is critical for maintaining youthful skin. Eating these healthy breakfasts and going on to eat unhealthy snacks all day long is not the best idea. You should consider eating healthy anti-aging snacks as well in order to get maximum anti-aging benefits. Click this coming video about the best, healthiest anti-aging nuts that you can snack on. From these 8 delicious, nutrient-packed breakfasts that we have discussed in this video, you get maximum benefits by alternating between these breakfasts rather than eating one of these breakfasts religiously. This will keep you looking and feeling younger. From the creamy richness of avocado toast to the tropical flair of quinoa bowls, each of these meals is a small step toward a healthier, age-defying lifestyle. A 2022 systematic review titled "The Effect of Nutrition on Aging" explored how dietary patterns and nutrients influence aging and longevity. It found that nutrient-rich diets high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, slowing the aging process. Conversely, diets high in processed foods and sugars accelerate aging through harmful metabolic effects. When you feed your body the right nutrients, you can fight the signs of aging from the inside out. Click the next video to learn the top 5 healthiest anti-aging nuts that you can snack on.